Imagine a world without power plants, without electricity at the flick of a switch. For most of human history, that was reality. Then, in the 1830s, Michael Faraday discovered something that changed everything. He found an invisible connection, a hidden dance between magnetism and electricity. By simply moving a magnet near a coil of wire, he could generate an electric current. It wasn't magic, but it was a revolution in physics. This phenomenon, electromagnetic induction, isn't about the magnet's mere presence. It's about change. Faraday's law tells us that a changing magnetic field passing through a wire loop, what physicists call a change in magnetic flux, induces a voltage. The faster you change that field, by moving the magnet quicker or using a stronger one, the greater the voltage you create. This is the fundamental engine of our electrical world. But nature has a rule. There's no such thing as a free lunch. This is where Lenz's law comes in. It states that the induced current will always create its own magnetic field that opposes the change that caused it. If you try to push the north pole of a magnet into a coil, the coil generates its own north pole to push back, resisting you. It's a beautiful consequence of the conservation of energy, ensuring we can't create power from nothing. This constant push and pull is the principle behind nearly every watt of electricity we use. By spinning a coil of wire inside a magnetic field, we create a continuous change in flux. That's an electric generator. And transformers? They use the same principle to step voltage up for efficient transmission across the country, and then step it back down to safely power our homes. From Faraday's twitching compass needle to the vast humming electrical grid that powers our civilization, electromagnetic induction is a testament to a fundamental truth. The forces of our universe are deeply and elegantly interconnected.